Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So in this video we're gonna talk about these three words: quit, quite, quiet. Quit, quite, quiet. You know what? I've decided to quit my job. I don't like it anymore. Actually, you've decided to quit your job. It means you wanna leave your job, right? Yeah, right. I've decided to quit my job. Quit. Yeah, okay. Quit. Neda, how come you're so quiet today? What happened to you? Actually, I'm quiet. Quiet. It means I don't make any noise. Yeah? I'm quiet. Alright. You're so quiet. Quiet. Oh, thanks. Do you want to study medicine at a university? I don't know. I'm not quite sure. Actually, you're not quite sure. It means you're not completely sure, right? Quite. Alright. I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure. Okay.